Hi guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the Saturday Shave. Another instalment of the Toothless Tiger shaves. Hey, we'll get into that. We'll get into that during the shave. Okay, you've seen by the thumbnail, haven't you? We've got a good one lined up for you today. The brush, check that out. Look, that is Noble Otter. I got that from the Razor Company. 26 months. Do you know what, guys? I've got some nice brushes in there. Not as many nice ones as I'd like. I've got like maybe 2 high-end ones. I want to get more high-end brushes. I got a lot of cheap ones. I'm going to be getting rid of. And my P8As that I love, but this one's going nowhere. This was about $12 or $13. It's Noble Otter. Look at that. Well, it says Noble Otter. It's supposed to be an NO. I think that says 101. And I think they've done that on purpose because they love the channel. Yay. But anyway, all joking aside, guys, that's a good brush. I like that brush. To me, that's comparable to the, what's it called? The Sovereign. Dad brain. Anyway, do you know the one? The T3. There you go. The Simpsons T3. It's akin to that. To me, not the same, but it's there. Anyway, shut up, John. Get on. It's got in the official John Shave Super Soaker. I like to show you every week what we're on. Coffee. I'll show you my shave of the day, and I'll show you my slurp of the day. Today, we're on coffee. Look. Absolutely wonderful. Special cup, named after the wife. The coffee. Look, there it is. If you live in the UK, you get 4 of these on Amazon for £10. It's good stuff, guys. It's good stuff. For the money, it's bang on. There you go. That's what I'm drinking today. But enough, come on. You've seen the razor. Here we go. You may have seen it in the thumbnail. You're looking at it. That is the West Coast Shaving stainless steel razor. That's a hefty beast, guys. I forgot about it. And in that, we're going to be putting a silver star. And I forgot about it because I couldn't see it because my memories are absolutely atrocious. Silver star, here you go. We'll put this in there. Nice blades, these guys. These were recommended to me. I can't remember who by. We'll put that in there, yeah. Okay. And then Samantha says, I'm going to shave my legs, Dad. And I came in the bathroom after she'd shaved her legs, because Samantha can't clear her stuff away. No. I've got to do that. Anyway, came in. Look at this. That I forgot that I had. Look, rope swing. So I'm thinking, oh, I haven't seen that for ages. I forgot about it. And then this was on the side as well. That's what she'd use. So I thought I'll use it in this shave. And we've got that long stuff. Oh my words. Right, we're going Balm up with Johnny's Chop Shop. And then the one you're all waiting for, the star of the show, the pièce de résistance. Didn't know I could speak French, did you? A&E Sparticus, because I am Sparticus. When I said that then, y'all thought like, actually, y'all thought I really was like, it's a dimple in the chin, isn't it? That does it, you know, chisel face, Michael Douglas. Yeah, get it all the time. Anyway, there you go. Oh, it's Peter's take on Creed Aventus. It's very, very nice. The splash is phenomenal. Had that a while. So here we go. Yeah, that's it. Let's see where we go. I don't think I've used this. I think it was gifted to Samantha, and I think she hid it. But she can't use this for shaving her legs. No. Use mine. Use mine for shaving. Oh, guys. Anyway, how is all doing? Now, anybody who's not new to this channel, I'll just reiterate to you. If there's a weirdo in town, he latches on to me. Oh, guys. I went to the dentist. So, walked in, dentist. So I'll put scent strength on this at about 4. But with Peter's, you know it's going to be good quality lather, don't you? First thing I noticed, dentist. We are talking absolute double, and I mean double. I nearly said to him, "Is that you, Mel?" Absolute double of Mel from Melly Mel Shaves. I mean, double. I just can't emphasise it enough. It was about 5'5". The bald head, the looks, everything, everything. Absolute spitting image of Mel. So I walked in. The dentist is Mel. I think it was called Dr. Wong, actually. I walked in. He's there. His receptionist there. I walked into the office, never said a word. Kid you not, guys, he stood in the far corner. "How heavy are you, John?" I said, "You know, tell me what's that's got to do with my teeth." So the receptionist said, "Oh, it's the chair, you see. We just want to know whether or not to lie it back or leave you sat." The chair, guys, it had taken 6 men to move this thing. I said, "About £250. 248 after this morning's weigh-in." I said, "About 250, right, okay. So what's wrong? Why are you here today?" Do you remember that line in Lethal Weapon when Joe Pesci's go, oh, creating a distraction, and they were screaming? And the receptionist said to him, "What's the problem?" And he went, "My ass hurts." Do you remember? And he said, you know what I mean? He went, "What's the problem?" I nearly said that to him. But, I mean, do you know what, guys? I'm from South Philly. I'm from the Bronx. I'm not really. No, but I'm a Manc. I'm a Mancunian, right? Or a Lancastrian, or a Yorkshire. But you get the drift, don't you? Like, I know when someone's trying it on. So I thought, okay. I was at 0. I took it up to 2. So he says to me, "And what is it you want me to do? Take it out?" So I said to him, "If that's what it needs, yeah. But obviously if that's not what it needs, I'm not a dentist, am I?" Well, with that, his assistant sort of like got in between us. There was a gap between his dentist, sort of like, "Okay, John, if you sit down here, what we'll do is we'll take on." I think the assistant, the dental assistant, the young lady that was in there, I think even she recognised he was being a bit off and was trying to act as peacemaker. Anyway, he took one look, he was in my mouth a second, and he went, "Oh yeah, that's going to come out." So we'll get you numbed up and we'll take it out. He numbed it up. Now obviously it was numb and I couldn't feel anything. But guys, he didn't even have to touch. To be honest with you, don't numb it up, just pull it. But he did numb it up. And the tooth came out. Second later, I'm up. Right, that's you done, pay reception. Actually, you're paid before you go in. That's you done, bye. I went, "Yeah, see you." And that was it. In and out, no word of a lie, guys, in and out, quite literally, 4 minutes. And I was that close off saying to him, "See, if we were in any other walk of life, Mel, you'd be on your back in the starfish position now, waking up with a crowd of paramedics around you." But I didn't. I just left and went home. Oh, but anyway, that was my trip to the dentist. And all is well now. I've been chewing on that side of my mouth. I left it a couple of days first. Well, yeah. I think what it was, if I'm on reflection, emergency dentist, because most dental care, if you're working in this country, most dental care is private. And I've had a private dentist, but I think here at this time, I was in my work clothes. He just looked at me and thought, oh, here's another one. Never looked after his teeth. And then when he looked in my mouth, he was like, oh. Because I did actually have that, guys. I don't know if I told you in another video. I went to see a dentist about 8 years ago. I didn't take the tooth out then. I just had a toothache. I can't remember what he did. But he was a young lad, young trendy lad, about 29, rippling in muscles, tanned. Look, you know, you can smell the money on some people, can't you? Right, sit down, come on. Honestly, guys, I kid you not, he looked at my mouth and he went, oh, your teeth are alright. Yeah. But anyway, that was my... We're all done now anyway, so we'll leave it there. Oh... But that was my trip to the dentist. So anyway, come on, back to the shave. Let me know if you've used any of the stuff in today's shave. Let me know what you think of it. Let me know what you think of today's shave, good and bad. If you're watching this and you're not a subscriber, and I say it from time to time because YouTube send me an email once a month, your monthly report, and apparently, right, over 50% of the people that watch my videos aren't subscribers. So don't be a lowlife. Alright? Give me, if you watch, subscribe. Oh my word. Oh, watch my subs go down now by about 196. But that's it. This blade's good. Good blade. Good razor. It's very heavy. It is steel. I think I paid about £25 for it. It's one of the first razors I bought a DE Wilkins, a Gillette, and then Samantha bought me one. And when I very first sort of like went down the rabbit hole, I think this was one of the first razors I ever bought. Absolutely beautiful. There you go. That's that. Razor. I was choosing that razor for the shave the other night, and it reminded me every time the Lone Star. That's Texas, isn't it? The Lone Star State. Me and Samantha were watching like a documentary, the first 48. Ladder mittens, guys. The first 48. They were interviewing. It was about this woman. This guy had murdered some woman that worked in a diner or something. And they interviewed the woman that worked in the diner, and she was huge. I mean, like 3 times the size of me. And they were talking about how she'd seen them arguing, and she stuck in my mind. She turned around and she says, we got a saying here in Texas, they needed taking out back and shooting. I was like, sorry, I played it back. Oh. That's not a saying. That's murder. You see, I love Texas. From what I've seen of it. And I've often wanted to go there, but I'm not going now. Oh, and should you ever find me in Texas, should you ever see me in Texas, just come in and remind me, John, don't complain about anything. Oh my word, right, I'm all giddy. It's Saturday morning. Oh, I've lost £2. The amount of birdseed I've eaten this week, there should have been £22. Hey ho, it is what it is. Here we go, guys. Check that out, look. That razor and that blade did okay. It did okay. We'll put the splashkins on first. This is very skin foody, this, guys. I put some on the other day just to, you know, when I was getting ready for my video. I thought, I'll put some of that on. Well, yeah, you can feel it. Very nutritious to the skin. Very soft, you just feel it. I don't think you'd need a balm when you put that on. And I don't know if Peter has designed it that way. But that's how it is. And that is us. So, thank you to everyone. All your likes, all your comments on the last video. Wow, everybody loved that PA video, didn't they? I mean, it took off like a rocket. Anyway, that's us. Oh man, I'm going to offend so many people in this video. Right, look after yourselves, look after each other. It's cold and wet outside, but it's warm and sunny in your heart, isn't it? So you can let that shine. Radiate, love. Right, waffle's over. I've got to go. Roast chicken for dinner, guys. Take it easy, and I will see you on Wednesday for the Wednesday shave. Bye.